Home, that wonderful place to relax and spend time with your loved ones. But keeping your home clean and comfortable takes time you may not have. Trust Skyline Services to be your home cleaning partner. We are a family-owned local company with over 40 years experience. Our home cleaning services will shorten your to-do list and give you more time to do the things you love. Let us take care of your kitchen and bathrooms, vacuuming, dusting, and floors. Our team of professionals are certified in the Skyline Cleaning Academy, and each one is happy to give your home a healthy Skyline shine. Skyline uses environmentally friendly cleaning solutions as part of our Good Stewards Pledge. Our products are non-abrasive and won't leave a harsh residue. Skyline is an active part of the local business community and Middleton Chamber, as well as belonging to the International Cleaning Association, ARCSI. We strongly believe in giving back to our community, so we partner with Cleaning for a Reason to provide complimentary cleaning services to cancer patients each month. Best of all, Skyline listens. We know that every home, customer, and family is different, so we customize your cleaning plan to fit exactly what you need when you need it. Our teams take pride in making your home as clean, sanitized, and peaceful as it can be. To get an estimate, set up your walkthrough today. Visit skylineclean.com or call 608-836-8025. Skyline Home Cleaning Services, because there's no place like home.